Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. In previous video, you got to know about the main characters of this story. Those are a 9 years old boy and a 5 months old elephant, Curry. And you also learn about Pavilion, where Curry lives and what does Curry eats. So now today in this video, we will know about how the boy who look after Curry gets fresh and delicious twigs for elephant. So look into your book, paragraph number 3rd. It was not an easy job to get twigs and samplings for Curry. I had to climb all kinds of trees to get most delicate and tender twigs, as he was very fond of young branches of banyan tree, which grows like a cathedral of leaves and branches. I was gathering some one spring day in March when I suddenly heard Curry calling to me in the distance. As he was still very young, the call was more like that of a baby than an elephant. I thought somebody was hurting him. So I came down from my tree and ran very fast to the edge of the forest where I had left him. But he was not there. I looked all over, but I could not find him. So the narrator says that it is very difficult and challenging to collect fresh and sweet smelling twigs and new plants for the elephant, because to get such kind of delicious and soft branches, he has to climb on different kind of trees. He further tells that the elephant likes the young and fresh branches of banyan tree so much. So such kind of branches grows on the top of banyan tree. There is a word cathedral. It means a big church. Here in this paragraph, it is used for height. The narrator tells that one day in the spring season of March, when he was collecting twigs for elephant in the forest, he heard a sound from a little distance away. It was like a sound of baby. So he thought that someone was hurting his elephant. So he climbed down the tree and ran in the direction of sound. But when he reached there, he did not see the elephant, so he looked everywhere but could not find his elephant. Now come to the next paragraph. I went near the edge of the water. I saw a black something struggling above its surface. Then it rose higher, and it was the trunk of my elephant. I thought he was drowning. I was helpless because I could not jump into the water and save the 400 pounds of him, since he was much higher than I. But I saw his back rise above the water, and the moment he caught my eye, he began to trumpet and struggle up to the shore. Then, still trumpeting, he pushed me into the water, and as I fell into the stream, I saw a boy laying flat on the bottom of river. He had not altogether touched the bottom, but was somewhat afloat. I came to the surface of water to take my breath, and there Curry was standing, his feet planted in the sandbank, and his trunk stretched out like a hand waiting for me. I dived down again and pulled the baby of the drawing boy and pulled the body of the drawing boy to the surface. But not being a good swimmer, I could not swim ashore, and the slow current was already dragging me down. So when the boy couldn't find the elephant, he went to the bank of river. There he saw something black struggling on the surface of water. Then after a moment, that black thing got higher little a bit from the surface of water, and it was looking like the elephant's trunk. So the boy thought that the elephant was drawing into the water, but he could not do anything because elephant's weight was higher than him, and he could not lift him or drag him out of the water. But when the elephant saw the boy, it started shouting and trying to come back to the shore. Shore means bank of river. As the elephant came to the bank of river, it pushed the boy into the water. There the boy found a young boy was laying on the bottom of river. Then the boy came above the water to take breath, and Kari was standing on the bank of river, spreading out his trunk towards the boy as he was waiting for him. So the boy again went into the water and then came out, catching the boy who was drowning, and then trying to come out, but he could not. It means the boy was trying to come out of the water, catching the drowning boy, but he could not come out of the water because he does not know swimming well, and the slow flowing water was dragging him down into the water. It means because slow current of the water, the boy was also getting down into the water. It means he was also started drowning into the water. This is your today's lesson. I hope it's very clear to you. And what happened next, we will learn in next video. And thank you very much for watching this video.